Welcome to the warehouse staging process tutorial. Start by opening the main menu, selecting Staging, and opening the Staging module. Step 1. Assigning a delivery order to a staging location. Tap the Document No field and enter your delivery order number. For example, do 00002. Once the document info populates with item details, enter the target staging location in the Staging No field, such as ST02. Click Save. The system logs the assignment, and you can verify the entry at the top of your record listing table. Step 2. Assigning a goods received note to a staging location. Clear the form and enter your GRN number into Document No. Here we use GRN 00005. Verify the item count. Assign the staging area code ST03 under Staging No, and hit Save. A green confirmation message will appear confirming submission. Your updated records for both due and GRN staging assignments are now complete and visible in the listing below.